No tent, no metal, just a woman and a rock shelter she turns into a home. Hidden in thick plants, she finds a rock overhang, a natural half cave. First task is clearing everything that doesn't belong. Then she reshapes the floor with a shovel, flattening the space where she'll live. She builds a small fire hearth using stone and mud, set to one side, controlled, contained. After that, she cuts the poles she'll need and hauls them back by hand. The front is wide open, so she first anchors 4 strong posts to close it off. Thin logs go up next, tied carefully with rope, stacked tight. It's not fast, but it's strong. Between the logs, she packs mud. Slow work, but it seals the gaps and blocks the night cold. She finishes with a simple door made from thin branches. Inside, she builds a raised log bed to stay dry and off the cold ground. Before dark, she moves in. The fire is lit. The shelter holds. If you were here, would you trust this build for the night?